Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this quick and informative tutorial, I will show you how to create a 3D sheet metal part from the sketch with the help of FreeCAD Sheet Metal AddBase tool and how to add a flange to this part with Sheet Metal AddWall tool. With this Sheet Metal AddBase tool, we can convert the open and the closed sketch profiles to sheet metal part. First, create the sketch and then convert it to sheet metal. Set the parameters of the sheet metal in the dialog window. With Sheet Metal AddWall tool, we can add a flange to the edges of the created sheet metal part. First, we start the FreeCAD workspace. Next, switch from the Part Design workbench to Sheet Metal workbench. Now, activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. In step 1, I will show you how to create a sheet metal from an open sketch profile. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Now, activate the Make Base Wall tool and then set the parameters. Next, we add the flanges to the sheet metal edges with the Sheet Metal Make Wall tool. Select the edges and then activate the Make Wall tool. Set the flange properties in the dialog window. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 2, I will show you how to create a sheet metal from a closed sketch profile. For closed sketch profile, we can use the hexagon profile. Select the outer closed area and then activate the Sheet Metal AddBase Shape tool. Set the parameters according to the specification. Now, we add flanges to the edges. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.